Once upon a time, in a peaceful meadow, there lived a group of animals who worked together to gather food for the winter. Among them was a wise old owl named Oliver, who always shared his knowledge and guided the younger animals. One day, a fierce storm swept through the meadow, destroying their food storage and leaving them with little to eat. The animals were worried and unsure of what to do. Oliver gathered them all and suggested that they each contribute what they could to rebuild their food supply. The ants offered to gather seeds, the rabbits volunteered to dig up roots, and the birds promised to collect berries. Even the shy field mouse offered to help in any way she could. Together, they worked tirelessly, each doing their part to ensure they had enough food for the winter. As the days passed, their hard work paid off, and they managed to rebuild their food storage just in time for the first snowfall. The animals celebrated their success and enjoyed a bountiful feast, grateful for their teamwork and unity. Yes, my friends, together we can achieve greatness by combining our unique talents and work towards a common goal. Let's reflect on our unity and individual strengths to ensure the swift completion of every task at hand. Are we truly harnessing our talents and standing united as a team? Let's ponder on this today. The Bible says, just as our bodies have many parts and each part has a special function, so it is with Christ's body. We are many parts of one body and we all belong to each other.